Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your Instagram reels not showing. If your Instagram reels is not showing, don't worry, I'll be walking you through some steps to fix it. So let's get started. If you are on Instagram and your reel section is not working, then what you can do is go ahead and scroll your Instagram screen down. It will reload your reels. Now you can also close and open your Instagram app once again, and if it still does not work, go ahead and try to update the app from your Play Store or App Store. Open your App Store or Play Store, search for Instagram, and then see if there is an update button available. If it is, click on the update button. Sometimes login issues or issues like your reels not loading happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Next, what you are gonna do is open your settings app and then search for storage. Then click on Instagram and click on the offload app option. Next, if none of that works, in some countries on a certain business accounts, reels might not be available yet. Switching to a personal account sometimes solves it. And that's it. Try these steps and reels should appear again on your Instagram app. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and then subscribe button. And do not forget to comment on my video, and I'll see you guys